Hey, welcome to Cook for Health. Today we are making banana sweet potato pancakes. So for this we need 2 ripe bananas, fully ripe, and I have around 1 cup of sweet potato puree. So you are going to go ahead and mash the bananas, and for sweet potato puree I have already steamed or pressure cooked the sweet potatoes, and you can do it in a steamer, in pressure cooker, or in instant pot. So I have this sweet potato puree and bananas mixed. Now we added brown sugar, cinnamon, and then we are going to mix well. So go ahead and mix properly. Now here we have this oatmeal flour, around half cup of oatmeal flour we are going to use. So what I did is I just took regular oatmeal, old fashioned, and grinded them in a coffee grinder and added it to this mix. That's it. So I'm just mixing little by little and making sure I'm doing it in small batches because we don't want them to get lumpy. We don't want it to form lumps. And now we are going to go ahead and heat the griddle and start putting these small pancakes on the griddle. And since it's not too flowy, I'm just pressing it with my hand. You can do it with spatula or with spoon. I prefer doing it with hand. I'm so used to doing these things with hands, bare hands. So yeah, here we are making this. You can definitely garnish them with some sesame seeds or some kind of even nutmeg powder, so whatever you prefer for the extra flavor. So it will also give the flavor and some kind of different look to it. So now flip the pancake, let them cook from one side for a couple of minutes and then flip them on the other side, and this is how it will turn out. It is a very subtle sweet version of pancakes. I have added only 1/4 cup of brown sugar, but if you prefer them sweeter you can add more brown sugar. And I'm making sure that I'm browning them from both sides. That's how we like it. You can always have your own version. So you can use maple syrup on it and enjoy, or just honey, or just by itself.